everyone, welcome back to My Diamond Addiction. This is Valerie and little Miss Taylor, and this is an unboxing from AliExpress, and I will put the name of the store right down here and also in the description. This is going to be a fun one, I can tell. So it was ordered on January 19th. It shipped January 21st, and it was delivered February 4th. So that is actually pretty impressive as far as timing.
Can I open it?
Let me do it, because we're gonna have to cut it, and I don't want you cutting anything that you don't need to cut, like, I don't know, yourself. So let's go ahead and open this bad baby up and see what is inside. Okay, Taylor, let me cut it. It's very, very wrapped. And she is very, very determined.
I want to see what's in here.
Okay, let go. Let go. Thank you.
Can I show you guys something? My grandma ordered me a clock.
We already unboxed that. They will already know that by the time this goes up. Because that one goes up before this one. But if you didn't see that unboxing, it's a clock. It's a very cute thing. She's very excited. Okay, so here is what it was wrapped in. It's like a thick, fat garbage bag type material.
Yeah.
Very waterproof. Nothing is getting through that. Feel how heavy this is.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, so this is a 60 by 115.
Can I try to hold it?
And it is that right there.
Can I see?
I will insert a picture right here
Can I try to hold
of
it
what
with
that's
one
going to be.
hand?
Oh, let's open this.
Okay.
So, we're going to get into this and see what all's in this box. I'm not even sure my space here is going to be big enough to show this, but we'll find out. Ready?
Whoa, these look like cookies.
They are. They're little koi fish. Okay, so there's the bottom section of that. Here starts the waterfall down into the pool with some koi fish and rocks down here. Okay, now you pull this way. Oh yeah, this is big.
Yeah.
Holy heck.
Oh.
There's the thing of drills. Remember, this is a 60
We know it.
60
We
wide.
need an iPad for this. It came with 2 pens, so me and Grandma can both work.
So there's the canvas. Let's go ahead and take a look at it real quick, and then we can roll it up so she's not standing over here on her little tippy toes. It is very, very sticky. It has 40 colors. We're going to try to put the key over here. So this will make my sticker maker come in handy.
What's a sticker maker?
The thing that we used on the kit up to make the stickers. And there's the picture again. Yeah, this thing is huge.
And this.
It is, I believe, a full round. Yes, it's a full round.
It has lots of baggies.
Katie. I just told you Katie. Taylor, give me 1 second and we'll get this rolled up and then you can show them the toolkit.
Okay.
Well, we're just going to kind of set it aside over here. There aren't any creases or anything in the back of the canvas. So this is perfect. There aren't any bubbles in the glue. There's no ripples.
Here's tweezers.
No, that tweezers didn't come with that. It came with the Dreamer Designs.
Here's the baggies.
Yep, that's all the baggies. Holy cow, look at all the baggies.
Here's the little thingy.
Multi-placer.
Yep.
How many is it? Let me see. It's a 9. So it came with a 9 placer.
Here's 2 trays, so me and Grandma can both work on it. And here's 2 pens.
Alright, so that's the toolkit?
Yep. No. And here's the little big wax.
Hey, Taylor, you don't need to be right up in the camera. Look, see that? Boom. They can see it. You can be clear back here. You don't have to be touching my phone, okay?
Yeah.
Sasha. Okay. Stop right there. Look. We have got drills falling out, people. Drills that are falling out. Okay, so we're going to open that extreme. Oh, yeah. One of these bags is all busted open. And you can see.
I think it's a
You can see
one.
green drills.
I think it's
Especially like right through here. You can see all the green drills. So we have one bag at least that's all busted open in here. Floating around. Here, see, put it in this right here. And we'll try to collect them as they...
I can't.
Yeah, you can. It's under your other foot. There's one there and one right here. There we go. Okay. We'll try to collect those as you see them come out. Drop them into this baggie, okay?
Okay.
Lift up your leg. Right there. Okay. So, let's go ahead and look at this massive amount of beads we've got here. Here, here's 2 more.
This thing exploded.
It exploded in there, huh?
It's like a rocket ship.
Oh yeah, they're falling out. Or if you want to just get a tray, we can put them in the tray.
Yeah, that's much better.
There we go. How's that?
Good. Now I have to set my. That's easier to dump in the baggie.
Alright. Okay, let's put this over here and let's just dump all these in here. Watch. Look at underneath your leg, right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, these literally are kind of everywhere in here. So this may take a minute.
A minute and a half.
A minute and a half?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm going to go ahead and pause right here. We're going to get these colors set out.
Carefully.
Carefully, yep. And hope that we have the right amount. They do have DMC codes to them, and there is no inventory sheet. So we're just going to, as Ella says, we're just going to trust the process.
Yeah. I was going to fix it.
Okay, so we'll be right back. Alright, so we found the culprit. It was a 562, and we've got it all in the bag, and I just cut the number off the baggie and put it in there so I know which one it goes to. Because as much as I want to work on this kit, which I really, really want to work on this kit, I need to do my Diamond Art Club and my Dreamer Designs first. Look, I found some more escapees. Taylor, look, there's another one over by your leg. So we're going to spend the next half hour or so
cleaning these.
Picking up all the ones that are randomly appearing. Yeah. In the meantime, the drills all look like they're in great shape. I've got them in somewhat of a numerical order, except this is all in a completely weird place. Somewhat of a numerical order amongst the chaos. Look, there's another one. So I'm just going to count the colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. There are some more. Yeah, they go clear down here. So all 40 colors are here. They are bagged anywhere from like this. Whoa, that looks really wonky. I don't know what it's doing right now.
I'm going to the bathroom.
Okay. Huh. I don't know what it's doing. It's going really weird, so I hope it's turning out okay.
Yeah, get my diamond painting. So we'll get on it.
Okay. I'm going to get all these picked up, put away. In the meantime, let's go ahead and do an unboxing scoring for this. Accuracy of description. Was it easy to understand, clear, and correct? Yes, it had a picture of it. I knew it was humongous when I ordered it. It is what I expected. I'm a little bit overwhelmed by the amount of drills that I have here. That's a lot of drills. But I guess what do you expect for a 60 by 115? I think I paid $17 for this kit. I will put all that information right here. Do not even open that. Go out, close the door. I'll be out in a minute. Thank you. I'll put all the information right here about the price and the name of the store. Everything. Make sure that you have all of that. Okay, accuracy of description. They'll get a point for that. Processing time was 3 days from ordered to shipped. And 1 to 3 days is 1 point, so they do get the point for that. The outside packaging, again, was the big, huge garbage bag looking thing that it took me and Taylor 5 minutes to get into. So yeah, it is sturdy and it would protect it from the outdoor elements, so they'll get the point for that. Inside packaging, was it packaged to protect the canvas? Or did it have a foam core? Did not have a foam core, but it was inside this big box. And it was huge, so to be wrapped around a foam core probably would have not been great for it anyway. I'm going to go ahead and give them a point for the inside packaging. I understand I had a bag of drills that was broken open. But look at how many bags of drills I have. So for one bag to have a tear in it that was leaking, I'm still okay with that. I'm still giving them the point for that. Toolkit, drills, and canvas. Yes, I got all 3. They'll get the point for that. Basically, I could tear some plastic back and start diamond painting on it right now. It's great. The canvas condition, there are no hard creases. It is not a cheap and flimsy canvas. It is a sturdy canvas. I could iron it if I needed to, but I don't, so I won't worry about that. So, point for the canvas. The glue, when I was touching it, is very sticky. The drills look great. I don't see any trash. I didn't see any problems when me and Taylor were going through these. The symbols are very, very clear and very easy to read. I will try to take a picture of see if I can get the canvas to show up, and I'll put a picture right here of the drill field if I can get my camera to take a picture of it. So they will get the point for symbols. Overall, am I impressed? Heck yes, I'm impressed. I love it. It's going to be big. It's huge. It's got gorgeous colors in it. Wide variety of colors in it. I'm super excited to do this. So they will definitely get the point for that. So my huge waterfall 60 by 115 full round diamond painting kit scores a 10 out of 10. Good job. I'm impressed. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them in the comments section below, and I will answer any questions that I can answer. I appreciate you all for watching and subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.